You know what's faster than 360 hertz? 390 hertz. We've got the Nitro XV2 series gaming monitor from Acer. I don't know how you're gonna get faster than that unless you're LG, I guess, with their 480, you said, Jono? So that's not coming out till later this year. For now, you're kind of stuck with something like this guy. They got their fancy Acer tape. I don't know if that's better than regular tape, but it says Acer on it. I'm trouble getting it out of the box. I mean, they got this packed in pretty good, I guess. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay, well, here's the cables. Well, power cable, I guess. All right, standard C13. Where's the instructions? Oh yeah, it has instructions in the box for how to unbox it. Who needs instructions for unboxing stuff? You don't need that. I'm not gonna drop it. There we go. Oh, nice little round base. Look at this stand. It's a little wiggly, but we haven't screwed it down yet, so that's okay. It doesn't look like it has much in terms of like, that's it, that's all you get. I love pan and like swivel and tilt and stuff, and like being able to actually move your monitor wherever you want. DisplayPort cable, power cable. It looks like that's actually pretty much it. Oh, this is neat. Like you can like, I don't know why, but you can like turn this. I guess so that you can turn the whole monitor on the stand instead of like swiveling it or whatever. Yeah, that's cool. But hey, it's a 390 hertz monitor. You're not buying it for that. You're buying it so you can kill people in Counter-Strike and Valorant and whatever. What are kids playing? Fortnite? Get some more kills in Fortnite. It just clips onto the back here. There we go. Yeah, so you can go vertical, which is pretty cool. That always gets bonus points in my book. Gotta love when monitors include manuals. I should probably move this out of the way. I mean, it's only a 24.5-inch screen, I think, so that's not a whole lot of screen space, and it's 1080p. So it doesn't have G-Sync, it only has FreeSync, but FreeSync is pretty much just as good as G-Sync these days anyway. Let's power this up after a message from our sponsors, Vessi. Thanks Vessi Footwear for sponsoring today's video. Vessi Footwear is known for being lightweight, easy to pack, comfortable, and most importantly, waterproof. You don't have to worry about the weather anymore. The shoes are made with a material called Dymatex, which keeps your feet cool in the summer and warm in the winter. They're easy to slip on or off, and lots of us here at LMG wear them all the time. Keep your feet dry for the future wet months and save $25 by using offer code SHORTCIRCUIT at vessi.com/shortcircuit. All right, let's power it on, get the juice going. Whoa, Jono, you're doing it wrong. You gotta cable manage it better.
No,
you gotta do it around this side.
No, I don't want to do
the
that
other way.
side.
So it's got a bunch of like pretty standard I/O, HDMI. Oh man, okay, that's a little disappointing. It's got two HDMI 2.0s, a display port, probably just 1.4, and an audio jack. Anything else? Yeah, it's pretty bare bones. If you want something that just works and does what you want it to do and you don't need like a bunch of extra ports, that's when you get Acer. I think it's listed at $499.99. So for 390 hertz, that's not bad. For 360 hertz monitor, like that's about right. So display settings, we're using the display port instead of HDMI because it's only 2.0, it's not 2.1. What's the GPU we have in this PC? We got 3090, I'm right. What's the CPU? Oh yeah, we're not gonna be bottlenecked by that, that's for sure.
We might be thermal.
Yeah. Okay, so I mean, yeah, I can enable G-Sync. FreeSync, G-Sync are basically interchangeable at this point. 360 hertz, 1920 by 1080, 8-bit color, RGB. It's got okay color, not amazing. Oh, it's got speakers, oh yeah! But sometimes it's really handy to have speakers on monitors, and I actually really hate when they don't have it. For instance, it got crazy hot this summer, and so I moved my PC into my bedroom and everything, but my sound system is all wired into my desk. I still have sound because my monitor has speakers. Is it good? No, it's garbage. But at least I have it, right? I have something. So let's try to overclock it. Where are your controls? Show me your secrets. Yeah, these are always the worst. Like, let me just control the little menu you have there. It's got one of these guys that you would, like it has buttons, up, down, left, right, and press. So whenever there's a menu in there, just let me change it with this. Like, why do I have to still touch these buttons that I've got to hope that I'm on the right one? Action, racing, sports, user, standard, eco, graphics, HDR. Oh, it's got HDR 400. Okay, where is the overclocking stuff? So brightness, contrast, black boost, blue light, ACM. Apparently it's better contrast. I don't really notice the difference. I don't think it's all that much better. We're gonna turn it on. Oh, it's got an aim point thing too. Oh yeah, that's great. So when I was a kid, we used to just like actually put a dot in the center of our screen with a marker or something, or a Sharpie for aim dots, basically. I'm not a cheater. I just use external things to my advantage when I have access to them. Yeah, I'm a cheater. Oh, there it is. It's in system. They should really put it in gaming. I don't know why else you're gonna use overclock except for like gaming, really. Come on, 390. 60? Well, hold on, we probably have to. 390, hey, 0.297. That's higher than advertised, ever so slightly. Let's see if we can get Counter-Strike going and use a scout, because real men scout. Tried and trusted Counter-Strike, right? Like I've been playing CS since Half-Life 1 days with like 1.6 and stuff. Oh, that crisp audio.
I'm doing 1.3.
Oh, 1.3? Oh my God, Jono. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh shit. Hey, see? The aim dot's already coming in. We're not even maxing this out. 350, 345 with minimums of our 99 is at 180. So you know what? I'm actually gonna crank this way down. Very low. Hell yeah. I don't want official matchmaking. I want to practice with bots. And you know what? I hate Dust 2. I've played this map way too much. I'm so sick of it. I don't care. Mirage is better, but what I really want is Office. I love Office. I love hostages. I love hostages, okay? I'm so sick of Dust 2 bomb defusal. Like I mean, I'm hitting 375 there for the max 382. Like that's the problem is we're really not even utilizing this monitor to its full potential, right? Like, yeah, it's over 360 sometimes, but I mean, a lot of time 350, 340, and this is Office. There's not a whole lot going on in this map. It's not very big. So yeah, we'll go to Dust. Maybe Office was a bad idea. Oh, I love Dust 1. I love Dust 1. I don't know what it is about it. It's not even like the best map ever. Italy's another real classic though. I love Italy, yeah. So yeah, I mean, we're not hitting our max frame rates. And you know what? The thing is you could always buy this thing and then hope that a new GPU comes out later. Because I mean, the reality is like, how many of you really have like a 3090 and 5950X anyway? Like this is pure esports territory. I mean, I personally play Counter-Strike and Valorant at 1440p, 144 hertz, and it is so much better. Oh, 390, I hit 394 for just a second. Oh yeah, like this looks good. Nothing's really smearing, like you move and it all, I mean, you know, it's blurry when you're moving it because you can't see that fast anyway, but as soon as it like stops and settles, there's no really bad smear on any of the lines, any of those thin lines. I don't think our frame rate matters too much depending on the settings, so let's turn it up to max and see what it looks like. Oh wow, it crashed. What the hell? Okay. This is about as small as I would personally go for a desktop monitor, about 24, 25 inches. It's on the cusp, and that's okay. Ministry de Antiquities. Oh, we're blowing up antiques? I didn't even know that you're blowing up antiques in Dust 2. Yeah, it's great. I don't notice anything. Like, it's just crystal clear. Even look at like this wall texture. Oh, that looks so good. And this is 1080p, but like on a small screen like this, 1080p is perfectly fine. Switch to bonus weapon. Oh, the dual Berettas. The worst gun in the game. Dualies were great when they first came out. You're like, oh, this is so cool. I got 2 guns and like 30 bullets. How could it go wrong? And then you shoot and you hit nothing and it goes really wrong. Yeah, so there's like hardly any smearing. It looks really good. Like you can zip around as much as you want, do a quick 180 or whatever. Oh yeah, see, even that chicken took me like 3 shots with the dualies. Oh yeah, look at these shadows. Like they look great. There's no tearing. I'm at an angle, so it's kind of hard to tell, but yeah, there's like nothing. I don't understand people who need maybe 360, but I now want to upgrade from 120, 144 to like 240. Oh yeah. Oh God, it is smooth. Yeah, look at it. It's just crystal clear. Yeah, so I mean, if you look at this bottom guy, like 100 FPS, it's just blurry, it's unintelligible. I mean, you can read it, but I mean, look how just gross the alien looks. Hit the dots on the ship, you can hardly make it out. It looks like a single line. This is what I'm talking about. I want to go up to 244 on my own home monitor. I need to make an upgrade at some point because there's not a huge difference going from 200 to 390. Like there is, it's there, the dots are clearer, but really this difference here, huge. This difference here, not so huge. If I was a professional esports player, I would need this. You want every advantage you can get. It's the same thing as playing football without cleats. Like, why would you do that? But for casual gaming, even if you're just someone who thinks you want to get into esports, it's a really big diminishing return. You're better off spending it on a nicer keyboard or a better chair, a better mouse, or just a better computer in general, you know, because if you were to basically analyze your kill ratio in games, I guarantee you the difference in the amount of kills that you're gonna get is so minimal. You're gonna get like 1 extra kill every like 400 kills or something like that. Is that really worth your, I don't know, extra $200 or $300? For me, it's not. The one nice thing is that Acer products do tend to cost a little less. So if you do need the absolute best of the best, it's a good value for what they're offering. I just think that maybe unless you're, you know, a top-rated esports player, you can spend your money a little better elsewhere. Maybe get a bigger display, maybe go 1440p, maybe go 4K. So thanks for watching. This is the Nitro XV2. If you like this video, maybe check out some of our other videos. Linus unboxed the G7 just the other day, and that thing is a killer monitor.